In this video, I will show you how to turn off hardware acceleration in Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to get started, all you want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser. Once you've done that, come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome and click onto the three dots to open up this menu. From this menu, come down and click onto settings just down here at the bottom. And once you're in your settings, all you need to do is use the search box at the top. Now, at the time of recording, it's now known as graphics acceleration, but it's basically the same thing. So if you just type that into the search box at the top here, and you're going to see a result come up saying use graphics acceleration when available. Now, for myself, you can see I've currently got this turned on. This does help to improve the speed of Google Chrome, but if you want to turn this off for whatever reason, just simply come and click the switch to turn this off. Once that's done, click the relaunch button to relaunch Google Chrome, and that's going to apply the changes and turn off graphics acceleration or hardware acceleration. So that's how to turn off hardware acceleration in Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.